friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Recently, we headed to Holland for the Tulip Festival. Such a beautiful time. We stayed there for 2 nights with friends. The tulip themed video is already out, and this one captures our fun group stay in Holland. Hope you enjoy it.
Yeah, we reach our new house for 2 days. Sierra, go. This is our new house for 2 days. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. See the big dining table. This is the bunk bedroom. Yeah, go open shoe in front. Sierra, what are you playing?
I got 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
मिलियनर चाय वाला आसले दियो अछंती अछे छुआ अछंती बड़ अछंती मु ताको कहू दे दौड़ नाम जाउ उला म होनी हमर तो से वाला सेवा मनोभाव या भगवान तो केमती कर kana actually हम अभी तो होया ऐसे
childhood Sierra also?
Oh, the chocolate, the start practice for chocolate.
Okay. Sierra, say bye-bye home. We are leaving it. We are leaving this house and we are going to our home. This was our 2-day home. This is our kitchen. We are living kitchen. Huh?
The house was quite spacious, 7 rooms in total, and with our family of 5, it felt just right. The view of the lake was absolutely stunning. The weather was a bit chilly, so we didn't end up swimming in the lake, but that just added to the cozy vibe indoors. Inside, there were plenty of games to keep us entertained, great for family fun. On the second day, we headed out to the Tulip Festival and came back home by the afternoon. We even cooked some meals together. So much more enjoyable when you're all sharing the experience. The whole stay cost $2,000 for 2 nights, which came down to $400 per family. Honestly, it was totally worth it. This Airbnb had everything we needed, from utensils to board games. We truly loved every moment of it. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed this. Stay tuned for more such adventures coming your way.